Here's a kickoff to the summer of 2024.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and I'm gonna take you on a walk on the boardwalk for Memorial Day weekend. Let's go check it out. It's about, oh look, the flags are half staff.
That's right. Every one of the flags are half staff. And this is Memorial Day weekend, as she said.
And look at here.
So they got this fence up, I guess, so you won't go over. The volleyball courts were there, and they are no longer there. This is the place where the pavilion used to sit.
Beatbox, just take a look over here so I can show them that they do have those umbrella and chair rentals out on the beach. Look at that. What's that in the water down there too? Or is that just a guard stand? Oh, it's a lifeguard stand that look like it's in the water.
I thought it was a shark.
Uh-oh. Might be an undertow because they're got red flags out there for no swimming.
All right, and what we'll do is continue down the boardwalk here. Not sure how far we're going, but we just wanted to show you what it looks like if you come down here on Memorial Day weekend to Myrtle Beach.
That's right. And it's about 83 degrees out here and sunny and sometimes cloudy a little bit. And the ocean temp is about 73, I told you.
73.
That's not too bad.
Right.
Sometimes that water can get as high feeling like bath water. And the pools are like bath water, especially those lazy rivers.
But it looks like you can still ride bikes here on the boardwalk. Comes another biker.
I think up until a certain time of the year you can.
I thought so, but I can't remember the actual rule. So let's move down on this side. And we're going to go from the open area to where all the restaurants and shops are on this side of the boardwalk.
Wow, the closer we get down here.
The thicker, into the thick of it.
Exactly.
Right here you'll see the Oceanfront Bar and Grill, which is pretty popular. Lifeguard stand. Let's see.
It hasn't really been that bad this Memorial Day weekend. We've gone to a couple of restaurants, and you know there wasn't a long wait or anything like that. You know, so it's been a good weekend. What you think, Beatbox?
I think so.
But it has been packed.
But
we love it.
Didn't like the rain coming in as much. So right here, Dirty Don's. They have several locations, and this is one. So there's the Fun Plaza, and I would have thought they would have these doors open right here. You hear them?
Mm-hmm.
Right here?
I do. They might in a little while.
There's some more photo ops.
Yeah. Glad to see everybody down here and getting out.
Right. There's Boardwalk Paradise General Store. So if you need some apparel and merchandise, you can get it there.
And your sweet treats, that place is delicious. Got a bunch of milkshakes, ice cream, and sugar, sugar, sugar.
Right. If you look down there, you can see 14th Avenue Pier way down there. I don't think we're going that far.
No, not today. I'm hungry.
You hungry?
I am.
You want to Get something here or somewhere else?
I think I might be in the mood for some oysters.
Oh, yum. That sounds good. Here's another little photo op. If you want to take time to do that. So we're passing Hurricanes, Daiquiri Bar and Grill.
Beach patrols out there, and look, just pan over to the beaches and give them a look. So
yeah.
You're not on top of each other down here, which is very good.
Right.
Some beaches are very crowded.
And if you noticed, we're passing the world famous Gay Dolphin Gift Code, which is supposedly the largest gift store on the East Coast.
That's right.
And you can see the Sky Wheel in the distance there.
I don't think it's open yet. I don't think the Sky Wheel opens until what, 12 or 1?
12, I guess. And it's right now, it's what, 11:45?
It's close enough.
Close enough, huh? Here's another photo op.
Aw.
And here's Bo Moons.
Did you say Bo or Mo?
Mo.
Oh, okay.
I said Mo Moons.
I thought you said Bo Moons.
Here's the sails. So we'll skip through here. And as you can see, there's a lot of tourists.
Woo, we made it.
We made it to the end, huh?
Yes.
Close to it anyway. It does continue going a little bit past 14th Avenue Pier. And someone said that they may even extend it a little bit further if they do bring Margaritaville to the area. The Margaritaville Hotel or Resort.
They're going to extend it all the way down there?
They would extend it, but that's still, we need to see if that's going to happen or not.
That'll be great.
I guess we're going to end it right here at the Sky Wheel, which isn't open yet, but it will be in a few minutes. Looks like a line already forming out there.
Sure does.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video and a quick tour on Memorial Day right here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. If you did, how about give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel to keep up with what's going on around the beach.
That's right. And hope to see you very soon. It's filling up fast and they are all ready for you. They're even rolling out new summer cocktails and everything down here. So hope to see you soon. And as always, keep beaching.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Yes.